Ever wondered why some men with average jobs still date amazing women, while rich guys get ghosted? The truth might shock you. Why do women seem to admire money more than anything else? Is it because of physical intimacy? Do they secretly enjoy constant attention from desperate admirers? Or is it simply about chasing so-called high-value men? Today we're diving deep into one of the most misunderstood topics in dating: the belief that women are only after wealth and attention, and that only the wealthy can win their hearts. Don't let social media fool you with its cringy couple reels and fake relationship advice. The purpose of this video is to cut through the noise, expose common myths, and uncover what women actually desire beyond money. By the time we're done, you'll see that even if you're not wealthy or traditionally good-looking, you can still attract and build real connections with most women. Let's begin by addressing the money topic first. Yes, money plays a role in attraction. Many women naturally look for stability, security, and a comfortable life, and money can provide that. But here's the twist: money alone isn't the ultimate deciding factor. Think about it. Why do we see men with average incomes enjoying happy, loyal relationships? It's because wealth is just one piece of a much bigger puzzle. So ask yourself, do you honestly believe love and attraction are based purely on your bank balance? Do you really think women care only about money and superficial attention? Stick with me until the very end, because what you discover today could change the way you look at relationships forever. Here's the first trait that silently drives women crazy. And no, it's not your bank account. Number 1, the confident man. Let's break down the first quality. Women consistently value genuine confidence even more than financial status. A man who is truly self-assured radiates calm strength and reliability. But what does real confidence actually look like? It's not loud arrogance or fake bravado. It's a quiet belief in yourself, in your skills, and in your worth. It means not being controlled by the opinions of others or chasing constant approval. True confidence is built on steady self-esteem that doesn't crumble when life throws challenges your way. Picture walking into a room and instantly drawing attention, not because of flashy clothes or expensive gadgets, but simply because your presence feels grounded and powerful. Have you ever noticed how magnetic that kind of energy is? Confident men don't hold themselves back with thoughts like, "I'm not good enough." Instead, they act with certainty, and that is exactly what women find irresistible. Now for the second trait. This one separates boys from men and instantly makes you stand out. Number 2, becoming a high-value man. Let's dive into the second quality women value even more than money: being what many call a high-value man. You've probably heard this phrase countless times online, but what does it actually mean in real life? High value isn't just about your paycheck or physical appearance. Instead, it's about the complete package, the traits that spark natural, instinctive attraction in women. A truly high-value man carries himself in a way that commands respect and admiration, often without saying a word. So what exactly makes a man high value? It's his ability to connect with women on a deeper, more emotional level, not just to impress them with status or material possessions. When we use the term high value, we're talking about qualities that make women feel drawn to you naturally, not just one woman, but many. Ever notice how some men seem to turn heads wherever they go, even without flashy wealth? That's because high-value men don't live with distracted or overly sexualized minds. They focus on a balanced, disciplined mindset, prioritize their mental health, and refuse to let outside opinions control their lives. This next part is crucial, because if you misunderstand it, you might chase the wrong things for years. Number 3, understanding value and attraction. Men and women often perceive value in very different ways. For many men, attraction can be almost instant and heavily visual. But for women, it tends to be far more layered and complex. Biologically, women are naturally inclined to seek partners who can provide a sense of safety, emotional comfort, and stability, key elements that were essential for survival throughout human history. And this goes beyond money. It's about a man's ability to deliver those qualities through his character, actions, and mindset. Think about it. Have you ever felt deeply drawn to someone without knowing why, simply because they made you feel calm, respected, and secure in their presence? That's the exact mechanism shaping female attraction. It highlights that women often look beyond financial success and focus on qualities that make them feel emotionally safe and grounded. And before anyone jumps in with the strong, independent woman argument, let's be clear. Here we're talking specifically about women who embrace their natural feminine energy and genuinely desire partnership. Yes, there are women who prefer complete independence, and that's valid. But this video is focused on understanding the women who value emotional connection, stability, and shared growth. Here's where things get exciting, because this step is all about becoming the best version of you. Number 4. Enhancing your own value. Now that we've covered what women truly value, let's talk about something even more important: how you can increase your own value as a man. And let's be clear, this isn't about faking a personality or trying to impress one specific person. Everything you work on should be for your personal growth, not just to win someone's approval. If you're not doing this for yourself, then honestly, there's no point in doing it at all. True improvement means developing real qualities that make you stronger, wiser, and naturally more attractive. Start investing in your growth. Read life-changing books, take courses that expand your skills, hit the gym, learn new disciplines, and challenge yourself daily. Each step you take adds to your character and makes you stand out. Have you ever felt that deep sense of pride from leveling up in life and seeing real results? That's the feeling you should chase. And if you're on this path already, I'm cheering you on. Because you're not just upgrading your dating life, you're upgrading your future. Remember, this journey is for you, not for me, not for social media, and not for anyone else's validation. This final point might completely change the way you see attraction and why some men succeed without even being the best-looking guy in the room. Number 5. Biological attraction explained. Men are by nature very visual beings. It takes us just a few seconds, sometimes even less, to decide whether we find a woman attractive. This is one of the reasons many women dedicate time and energy to presenting themselves well. But for women, attraction is rarely just about physical appearance. It's multi-layered. It involves a man's personality, his behavior, and his ability to create that powerful combination of comfort, security, and emotional stability. And here's where men actually have an advantage, because unlike looks, which are largely genetic, personality and behavior can be shaped and improved over time. You can actively work on becoming more appealing by improving your mindset, habits, and presence. Have you ever noticed how some people actually seem more attractive the longer you know them? That's because genuine attraction goes far beyond surface-level appearances or financial status. We've all seen stunning women with men who aren't conventionally attractive and thought, wow, how did he pull that off? It's rarely about luck. It's about the fact that he became a truly high-value man, someone who connects on a deeper level and makes her feel understood and secure. Have you ever experienced something like this yourself? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments. I'd love to hear how this plays out in real life. This next point is a game changer because it's not about looks or money, but about how well you connect with the world around you. Number 6. Sociability and networking. Let's talk about sociability, a trait that can completely transform the way others see you. Being sociable isn't just about small talk or being the loudest person in the room. It's about your ability to form meaningful connections, have real conversations, and grow a strong social circle. This quality is powerful because it shows you can navigate social situations with confidence, influence others positively, and create lasting relationships. Think about the most charismatic person you've ever met. What made them memorable? It's usually their ability to engage, make people feel comfortable, and connect on a personal level. That magnetic quality is something women naturally notice and respect. Women are often drawn to men who demonstrate social intelligence because it signals that you can thrive in a variety of settings, handle challenges gracefully, and have a support network around you. And here's the good news: even if you're an introvert, that doesn't mean connecting with others is out of reach. In fact, introverts are often capable of forming much deeper, more meaningful bonds, sometimes faster than extroverts. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Focus on building genuine, authentic relationships that matter. This final point ties everything together, because without it, attraction simply falls apart. Number 7. The triad of attraction: comfort, security, and stability. As we've already touched on, these three traits form the very foundation of female attraction. Picture a building supported by three strong pillars. If even one of them is missing, the entire structure becomes shaky. In the same way, women instinctively value these three qualities in a man because they fulfill a deep biological need for safety and emotional well-being. But here's an important question. How do you provide comfort, security, and stability if you're not wealthy or living a lavish lifestyle? The answer lies in how you carry yourself. Your confidence, your calm energy, and your ability to make the people around you feel safe and understood are what truly matter. Think back to a time when just being around someone made you feel grounded and at ease, as though nothing could shake you. That feeling can be powerful, even for men. Imagine being surrounded by a trusted older brother or a group of close friends. You feel untouchable, ready to take on anything life throws at you. That same sense of reassurance is what women look for in a man. Not just financial wealth, but emotional presence and inner strength. At the end of the day, attraction is about so much more than wealth or physical appearance. By developing traits like confidence, social intelligence, and emotional steadiness, you naturally become more magnetic and build deeper, healthier connections. So, here's my challenge for you. What action will you take today to increase your value and become a man who offers comfort, security, and stability to those around him? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your journey. And if this video helped you gain clarity, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this with a brother who could use this message. Stay strong, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.